Did you enjoy your breakfast? Was it a good breakfast? Ah, was it yummy?
So yummy, I'm licking it off my shirt where I kind of wiped into it.
Wow. I'm going to lick my tray clean. It was so good. Tell them what you had for breakfast. What'd you eat for breakfast? You had scrambled eggs.
Pancakes.
Oh, gluten-free pancakes. Those were good. And you have blueberries? Yes, yes, we like our blueberries. Hi. Hi. Is it time to get cleaned up yet?
Probably.
Ah.
I changed his outfit too.
Bah. You gonna try to lick some more off the tray?
Give him that food.
Are you still hungry? Are you just... I think he's just playing. Yes. Say hello. Say goodbye.